Hi everyone, my name is Nades. On this channel you can jump in and follow my curly girl journey in which I follow the curly girl method for over a year now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you won't miss another video. So in today's video I will be doing a deep conditioning treatment on my hair. You can follow step by step what I do each week to make sure my hair stays healthy. This is actually the result of what I did today, and in a few seconds you will see what I started off with. So let's jump into the video. So this is basically what I'm working with today. First of all, I want to mention that I'm wearing my Headchie hairband. It is a hairband and scrunchie all in one. It is a product made by Lana Summer. If you don't already, go over to her YouTube channel. She also follows the curly girl method. She has a lot of great hairstyles and tips for people with curly hair. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that I love this hairband. Headchie scrunchie is amazing. But yeah, today I'm actually gonna do a deep conditioning treatment to my hair. I usually do this when just like today my hair is feeling limp, frizzy. It looks drier than it usually does. I'll scooch in a bit so you can see a bit better. But yeah, my curls are not as defined. It's very frizzy, limp, boring. So time for a deep conditioning treatment. So I usually do this once a week whenever I have the time, because I do take the time to do a deep conditioning treatment. And I would say if you're just starting the curly girl method, you're still in that transitioning phase, I would highly recommend you doing a deep conditioning treatment at least once a week. For me, for example, I've been doing the curly girl method for over a year now. I've really noticed a lot of difference in my hair because my hair was very damaged. I straightened it a lot, I've colored it a lot, and I'm really trying to get off that track. I have used a hot tool on my hair, I believe about 2 times in the past year. But other than that, I just make sure whenever I do, that I do deep condition beforehand, and stuff like that will really help improve the health of your hair. I have noticed a lot of difference in the health of my hair by doing a deep conditioning treatment once a week. So I'm gonna start off by using my SIM coconut co-wash. I'm just gonna use this as a cleanser. I'm gonna use my scalp massager also to make sure that I really thoroughly clean my scalp before I'm gonna do my deep conditioning treatment, and I will be right back. Okay, so I just rinsed my hair out with the coconut co-wash. I now have my microfiber towel on. This is actually a towel from Dock and Bay. I believe it's actually a beach towel. I received it from Bouclam when I got this giveaway package of theirs. It came in this little satchel. So the idea is that you can take it with you on the beach. It's a quick dry towel. I really like it because it's meant for the beach, so it's really big. So the reason that I always use a microfiber towel is because other towels can cause breakage to your hair, frizz, and they also tend to take in a lot of the moisture which you actually need in your hair. But moving on to the deep conditioning treatment, I will be using the Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. As always, a mouthful, but this is the package. This conditioning treatment has protein in it. I have enough moisture in my hair, but my hair needs some protein. That's why I'm going to be using this boy. But I also have a lot of other deep conditioners which don't have protein but have a lot of moisture in them, so I tend to go on and off each week for if I'm gonna be using moisture or protein. This of course depends on your hair porosity, on the textures, various things. For me, I have a normal porosity, which means I could either use protein or moisture. It just depends on what my hair needs at the moment. Oh, smells so good. So this deep conditioning mask I love because it's very thick, very buttery. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I love using deep conditioners, but also creams in my hair that are very thick and buttery, because my hair tends to be rather coarse and it's really thick. So I just love having something that I can feel really works for my hair. And this deep conditioning treatment actually has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar in it. So if you're looking to find a new mask with protein in it, I really recommend this one. I really love it. I love the smell, I love the texture, I love what it does for my hair. But let's move on. So I'm gonna keep on my towel because I want to start off by re-wetting my hair a bit, because you have to put in a deep conditioning mask on soaking wet hair. I have my spray bottle with me. It has warm water in it to really open up my hair cuticles so I can really soak in that mask. I'm gonna start off by sectioning my hair. So I have my fake 10-minute brush here. It's not a real one, but it works the way it should, just to distribute the mask through my hair. So as you can see, this is the mask. It has a very thick, creamy, buttery texture, and I just love that about it. So I'm just gonna put it in there and then take the brush and comb it through. Working my way up gently from the bottom up. As I said, my hair has a lot of knots right now, so I want to be careful since your hair's at its most brittle stage when it's wet. I just want to make sure to carefully work my way up and distribute it all throughout the hair. Okay, so now I'm first gonna wash my hands because there's so much stuff on it. I'm gonna use this little band right here to make sure that my hair stays up. And now I will be using a cap, a shower cap. You can also use a plastic bag if you want. It's just a way to keep in the warmth of your head. I also warmed up my heat cap, which I over this. Very lovely. So this heat cap is by Julia's Design. You don't necessarily need a heat cap. Using heat on your hair while you have a deep conditioning treatment in basically just make sure that your hair really soaks up the moisture. So as I said, I have a normal porosity hair. So I don't necessarily need to use heat. I just enjoy the feeling, and I also really feel that it works for my hair. So you should just figure out what works for you. You can also put a towel around your head and use a blow dryer on top of it just to use some heat on it, or you can get your own heat cap, whatever works for you. I just like doing it this way, and I'm gonna be letting this soak in for about 20 to 30 minutes, and I will be back with my results in a bit. Okay, so this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, my curls are a lot more defined than before. Much more ringlets, looks much softer, it feels much softer. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!